suspension work's now complete, brake work's now complete. We're now going to take bumpers off, all ready for paint for tomorrow. We're now going to remove the front seats and lift the carpets so we can start on all of the welding of the floor pans. So this is a pretty simple job, 4 bolts and the seats come straight out. Then we are able to remove the lower trim panels along the sills to then be able to lift the carpets. The reason we do this is to avoid any potential fires when welding up the floor. Rear wash pipe as well, look, it's all bubbled up in that corner. There it is. Lush, lovely.
What is it you're sitting on there?
That's my new seat.
Nice. Safety first. These side ones don't need to come out. They hold the spoilers and the bumper.
Then we go ahead and remove all of the clips and screws holding in the front bumper.
Top.
We're also going to whip out the driver's side front headlamp due to the yellowness of the light. For example, if you compare this one against the passenger side, that one's pristine, this one isn't.
Snap. Yeah.
You look like a terracotta warrior.
A what? Please elaborate.
I'll Google it so you can see what I mean.
Yeah, Google it. Is it something to do with the hair?
Yeah, that is you. Look, that is literally him, look. There he is.
You chat so much. I won't say. Boom.
Just compare the two there.
Yep. Totally wrong now.
Now we're going to make a start on grinding up the floors to get to clean metal before welding in fabricated panels we've made up. Along there, and
yeah,
probably to the floor here.
And then just put
a bit of angle there, and then square plate.
Bring it right across that there. Yeah. Weld it here. Nice pencil. Very religious Honda. Very holy. Soon to be repaired. I think you look well done.
Now that we've got the fabricated panels welded in, we're just going to give everything a little coat of seam sealer and then under seal all of the metal to protect it.
1, 2, 3. Simple as that.
Just another quick little job we're doing here. The levers on the seats were broken, so we've got a couple of new ones. Good, well done, superb. What a great job. Once the welding was complete and we'd repaired the seats, we could lay all the carpet and trims back in. The Honda now looks pretty sorry for itself. So I guess we better start getting this thing back together. While we're waiting for the bumpers and wheels to come back from paint, I've taken the windscreen wiper arms off and we're going to give them a paint inside the workshop here. As you can see, or about to see, they're very corroded and they just want sanding down and repainting. I'm just getting rid of the surface rust before we lay a coat of primer down. Once the wiper arms are all primed up, we then applied a coat of matte black. Just got all the bits back from the body shops, just got the front bumper and the rear bumper. We've also gloss blacked the front grille and the scraper mouldings. The headlamp all fully refurbished now, and the body shop done this. They sanded it back and literally have put a clear coat over the top. What a transformation that's made. That just leaves us to get everything reassembled back onto the car. We also have got some new badges to put on too. Let's get the badges back on. On the car.
So here we have the lovely black, we call it a Honda Black Edition. Freshly painted scraper mouldings. You see I'm not going to put it on.
Just like that.
Where's the old mate?
Let's check the lights.
Check the lights. Yep.
Side light.
No. Main, yep. Yep. To the side light. 501 please. So we've got fog light here. Fog lights. I know where the phones are too.
We've also had all four wheels refurbished as well, and a couple of new tyres for the front. I'm just going to finish them off with the centre caps. Just going to use a toffee wheel to get the glue residue off the back of the bumper. Oh, Kieran, you pulled that off. I haven't got one of them.
I'll have to stick it back on.
Falling off.
What does that say?
You put it
The
on.
wrong way round.
Oh no. What's Kieran spelt there? That's better.
No, that's wrong.
Oh.
That's what it should be. I had it the wrong way up.
Not forgetting some new number plates to finish the car off nicely. We've put the bumpers back on, new badges, headlights all refurbished back in. Wiper arms are all totally refurbished now as well. All the rims have been refurbished, and new centre caps.